The 2012 Ford Mustang Boss 302X by Galpin Auto Sports. Galpin Auto Sports has proven their soft hands when it comes to the Ford Mustang, and at the 2011 SEMA Auto Show, their newest program for the Mustang Boss 302 will showcase the company's talents for the world to see. Designed by Steve Carpenter, the program is being touted as the world's first widebody kit for the Boss 302. It's called the Boss 302X, and as the name evidently suggests, it comes with a comprehensive program that features aesthetic and performance enhancements. Speaking about the former, Gas went to work and first built a steel widebody panel by hand, one that literally added 9 inches to the overall width of the car. From there, the panel was given a matte orange pearl PPG paint finish, complete with the Mustang Boss's unmistakable graphics. Then, Gas outfitted the muscle car with a set of 1/20 inches wheels wrapped with Pirelli P Zero tires. They also added a 6-point roll cage on the exterior to go with Recaro seats that come with custom embroidered logos. And last but not least is a Procharger-supercharger system, which Galpin Auto Sports ever so nicely put under the hood of the Mustang Boss 302X. Living up to its X moniker, the supercharger system was able to take the output of the muscle car's 5.0-liter V8 engine that produced 440 horsepower and spike it into the vicinity of 780 ponies. As comprehensive auto modifications go, this one by Gas is proof as to what a perfect Mustang tuning program should look like.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.